Hello everyone, you're welcome to Semanhyia Farms and my name is Godfred. Today, I want to answer the question which most people has been asking, which is, do I need to add any commodity to maize so that I can mix to my poultry chicken or to my layers? Yes, of course, you will need some commodities to add it to maize before you can feed to layers. But before I go on to today's topic, I want to say a big thank you to all of you for your comments, your like, and also for your support since day one. And in the description there is a link which you can schedule a time with Fred and then speak to him. So back to today's topic. Maybe you are doing a small scale poultry business on your one plot or in your house, but you are wondering that do you need to mix anything to maize before you give to them? Yes, you need these three commodities which is very important to add it to maize, which is wheat brown, soya beans, and jubali. For layers, you need wheat brown, soya beans, and jubali. And there is a ratio which you need to mix. In case you are mixing like 100 kilos of feed for your layers, let me break it down for you. So in mixing 100 kilos of feed for layers, you need to get there are some things which you need to get so that you mix it in your area or in your pen without sending it to the mixing machine for them to take your money or for them to reduce the commodities which you sent there. I want to record this video and give you the simplest way so that you mix it at home. So in mixing this 100 kilos, there are some things which you need to get. You need to get your shovel, your weighing scale, and then a place which is very clean, or a cemented place which is very clean. So getting all this, you need to weigh it. So weighing the commodities for soya beans, which you need to mix with the maize, you will need 20 kilos of the soya beans, 20 kilos of soya beans, wheat brown, 15 kilos of wheat brown, 60 kilos of maize, because maize is the main commodity in the poultry industry. And you need 5 kilos of jubali so that you mix it together. So getting all these together, you just put them together and then you turn it to the right side for 4 times, and then you bring it to the left side for 4 times to mix to get the uniform mixture before you feed to them. I hope this was useful, and see you next time. But don't forget to subscribe and then leave your comments. Thank you all for watching.